In a follow-up story here on E! Prime, no apology, no refund is the word from Spice's legal team. The response came late last evening following the demands by Chugit's legal team for an apology and retraction of statements and posts made by the Queen of Dancehall, Spice. Both of Spice's local and overseas lawyers have responded to Mr. Peter Champagne QC, the attorney for Andrew French Wright of Chugit, refuting the allegations. Aisha Robb, Spice's lawyer in Jamaica, told E! Prime that Spice's reputation is damaged, and due to several breaches, Spice stands by her position and comments.
There were several breaches in relation to the contract that both parties executed, one of which they did not purchase her airline ticket. Secondly, the credit card which Chugit used to purchase tickets for her team, two of the tickets were, three tickets were declined by two different airlines. One for one of the persons who were supposed to be traveling from New York to Miami, and two for the persons who were to be traveling from Jamaica to Miami. No transportation was provided for Spice when she arrived in Miami, and this was again in breach of the contract.
Rob added that Spice was left vulnerable in Miami with no security.
In further breach of the contract, no security personnel was provided for Spice, right, by French and his team while she was in Miami. And of course, my client is an internationally acclaimed artist, and as a result, her security and her safety is of utmost importance. She has been performing for over 20 years, both locally and overseas, and as a result, she is somebody who is at the top of her game. I mean, she's the queen of dancehall, and so as a result, somebody who is of that caliber certainly would require security personnel to escort her while she is in Miami.
Rob also went on to add that Spice's contractual obligations were for her to perform no later than 11:30 p.m. However, when pressed on the end time on the flyer of 8 p.m. and a text message stating 9 p.m. for arrival, Rob responded by saying,
So the contract itself had indicated that her performance should be no later than 11:30 p.m. However, she was not provided with any itinerary prior to the event as to her exact performance time. As you would recall from the numerous text messages and WhatsApp messages, they were trying to get her to the event for 9 p.m. She did in fact arrive at the event.
In response to the release from Spice's legal team, Peter Champagne, a lawyer for Andrew French Wright of Chugit, told E! Prime in a telephone interview that his client will respond in due course, adding that this disclosure in the public does not go with the dignity of the process. He considers it unfortunate that it has reached here, as irrespective of the status of those involved, he sees it no different from any other contractual dispute which is best resolved in the court. Spice was slated to perform at Chugit in Miami. However, when she arrived at the venue, the event was already shut down. I'm Daedra reporting for E! Prime. Thank you for watching.